How to get a higher Snapchat score. So go open your Snapchat, click on this plus icon on the right corner. Now what you need to do is add or subscribe to any random users who is famous on the app. So I will be adding random users and subscribe to their stories. After adding a couple of users, go back to your camera page, take a photo, and send it to everyone you added a while ago. Now for reference, let's check what's my snap score at the moment. Now, send multiple snaps. So just do that for a couple of times. The more people you add, the faster your Snapchat score will increase. Now after doing this, let's exit the app, open it again, and if we check on my snap score, it is now higher than a while ago. So that is how to get a higher Snapchat score. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.